Hi, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to open bank account in First Direct Bank at your home online without visiting any branch. So without wasting your most precious time, let's jump to the video. So friends, how to open First Direct Bank account online? So first of all, we have to open a browser. I am using Opera browser. You can use as your preference. So as you can see at here, this is the Opera browser. I am selecting this browser. So open this browser and then here is the option of search bar on the top. So we have to click on the search and we have to search here First Direct Bank account open online. That's it. We have to search this on the Google, and if you are using Chrome browser, then make sure you have to enable at here is option of three dots and desktop side. So now I am using mobile sites and scroll down your mobile screen, and as you can see at here, this is the interface of original website of First Bank's open with this account so we have to click on the link. So now click on the link. Now friends, as you can see at here, bank accounts, many types of bank accounts available at here. Open a current bank account and also switch to us, and also option of first directory. So first of all, I want to tell you, this is the really very good and service just for very service and good and services. This account is really very helpful. So about our current accounts, click on it. And I want to tell you the main thing. I love this feature of the account. Here is the option, as you can see, award-winning customer care services for real people at here in the UK. No machine, no overseas call centers. So for this is the really very good. And scroll down and read all term and conditions carefully and read all benefits carefully. Has no monthly fees. You don't have to pay any monthly fee and pay in the cash and checks at your HSBC branches and the post office. So scroll down and here is apply for first account, and many options are available here. So scroll down your mobile screen and as you can see, here is a many types of options available. Scroll down your mobile screen and here is a apply now. So we have to download the application, but I am continue with my browser. So click on the continue with browser. Now as you can see, this is the interface of First Direct Bank. So scroll down your mobile screen and tap on the confirm and starts, and please hit the like button friends. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So now we have to enter here our email address. After email address, so I am entering my email address at here. So friends, after your email address, here is the option of title. So select title and here is the option of Mr. So select your title as your preference. I am selecting Mr. And then we have to enter here our name. So my name is Pankaj and my full name is Pankaj Purohit, as you can see at here. Now have you had any previous names also you known by others? If you have, then you can yes and no. So I don't have any other names, so I am selecting no. Then scroll down your mobile screen and select your gender. After selecting your gender, we have to enter our DOB, means your date of birth. So I am entering DOB. So after entering your DOB, now select your place of birth. So I am Indian, but this is the demo account so I am selecting United Kingdom, and then here is the option of country/origin of permanent residence. So we have to select United Kingdom and select your nationality at here. I am selecting United Kingdom. Then here is the option of marital status. Select your marital status, single, married, living with partner, and many other things are available here. So I am selecting single at here. Then scroll down and here is the option of number of dependent children. So how many children are dependent on you by financially. So I am selecting this and select 0 and enter your all needs, and after this we have to click on the continue. After now here, as you can see, here is the option of mobile number. So we have to enter here our mobile number, and make sure you have to enter your UK mobile number. Don't enter your any other country mobile number. So I am entering my mobile number at here. So friends, after adding your mobile number, here is the option of add another mobile number. If you want to add another, then you can do it as your preference. So select your country of origin. I am selecting United Kingdom and scroll down and enter your postal code at here. So I am entering my postal code at here. Entering your address, here is the option of residential status. So I am selecting owner occupier. If you are a tenant, then you can select tenant, and living with parents you can select it. I am right now selecting the first option of owner of occupier. Then scroll down your mobile screen, and here is the option of when do you move this address. I have selecting right now of the month, and this is the address. And after this all details, we have to tap on the continue. Now we have to enter here our employment details. To select your employment, I am selecting my self-employed. Here is the option of self-employed. I am selecting it. Select your occupation. I am selecting professional, and many other categories are available at here. So here is the option of professional. So now when you become a self-employed, so selecting I am my month, I am entering my month. After entering all details, we have to tap on the confirm, and then as you can see, pick up an option of best describe you. I am business owner, so I am selecting it. If you are a sole trader, then you can select, and key controller you can select it. So I am selecting business owner. Then what is your business name of your owner? So I am selecting and entering this. And please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. So here is the option of business type. We have to select business type, and here is the option of professional. Where is so right now here is the option of professional. Scroll down and select your category. I am selecting. Here is a many types of options available. Other professional and scientific activities, to select it, and scroll down your mobile screen, and where is your business located. So I am selecting United Kingdom. Then enter your building name or street name and town and all the details of the passcode. This is the address for your business. So after entering your business address, scroll down your mobile screen. After entering your business details and business street and your town and your postal code address of this, scroll down your mobile screen and enter your income details, annual business income approx before your tax deduction. So I am selecting and entering my income at here. This is the annual income at here. You have to and here is the option of annual income from other source. So what is your annual income from other source? So this is the annual income. You don't have to enter your monthly income. Then how often you paid. So select weekly and other frequency and weekly, many types of ad here available. I am selecting monthly. Then expect from your salary, dividends, and will you else be regularly spending money into your account. So I am selecting yes. Yes, here is the option of yes. How much you will spend and how much you will enter in the account. I am selecting 25,000 and 25. So as you can see, here is the option of tax residency. So why you need all tax, and you can read at here. So I am selecting where you residence of tax purpose. I am selecting UK only. You can select many others countries at here also. So I am selecting UK only and tap on the continue. So now select your subcategory of your business. I did not selected this, so that's why they are asking for again me. After this, scroll down your mobile screen, scroll down screen and tap on the continue. After tapping on the continue, using your account for which purpose. So I am selecting this, and I am selecting my personal expenses and savings, and many other things are available at here. So I am selecting savings. Do you have any non-HSBC credit card in the UK? If you have, then you can select yes, and if you don't have any non-HSBC credit card, then you can select no. Do you have any non-HSBC credit card? You can select it as your preference. Right now I am selecting how will you make your first deposit. I am making with the cash, and you can select fund transfer also. Source of your first deposit, I am selecting it, and here is the option of many types. I am selecting salary, and okay. So select on the continue. Right now after entering all details, submitting all details, tap on the continue and review your all details carefully. As you can see at here, this is the your all details are here, so please review and select all details, and after selecting the all details and reviewing all details, and so now we have to confirm our email address. After confirming your email address, read all term and conditions carefully. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. And here is the option of submit, so select submit option, and they are processing our application at here. Now they are asking for you have to check your ID card, so you have to upload your UK passport or driving license, national EA, any other ID card and proof. And if you don't have your driving license as address proof, then you have to enter your a utility bill from last 4 months, and you can also prefer it a council tax bill from last 13 months. So tap on the continue, and please fill up your all details, your driving license, your passport, your national ID card. You can use it. After the all details and verify the all details after it, then you will open your account successfully. So now we have to take a photo and upload the photo of your passport. So now take a photo of your passport and upload it. Now friends, they provided a application number to our, so we have to copy this application number, and make sure you don't have to remove and don't forget this application number. They will review your application in next 2 working days, and they will open your account in next 2 working days. And now if you want to active your account, then you have to confirm the all details from your mail ID. After this confirmation, they will send your debit card at your home address. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.